This is Danielle with RV Liquidation Center. We're going to take a look at a Nitro XLR 25KW. On the outside, you're going to have the power awning above us here. It's all push of a button. You can have your TV hooked up on the outside, and then you have your speakers above us. Hookups are right here and below here. And in the back, you're going to have your power jacks. So push a button, extend and retract. You have one set for the back, one set for the front. Back here is going to be your party deck. This is a favorite among many people. So your party deck, you can hang out here with your chairs. You have your surround here, so it closes it off. You also have access, not your main stairs, but you have a back stairs. So if you don't want to go through the kitchen area or the bedroom area, you can access it from right here. Above us is going to be your power awning, all push of a button. You have your screen, then it closes it off from your living room area to your patio deck. So that's nice and convenient. If you want to leave it open to get a nice breeze, you can do that. It's also set up for a backup camera. So the backup camera is already wired, just need to put a backup camera on there. Towards the back side here, you're going to have your fuel station right here. Your switch is going to be here and also your gauge here. And then your nozzle in here. Along with this is where you fill it up at. Towards the back this way, it's going to be the back of the refrigerator, and then your hookups for your TV, and then this is your power hookup here. This one is a 50 amp power source. Back towards here is going to be your hot water heater, fresh water, city water, and your black tank connection there. Here is going to be your outside shower hookups. So that's nice and convenient with your dump station that's right below us here. Your gray and your black dump station is located right here. Or towards the front is going to be your generator. This one's going to be the upgraded 5500 watt generator. That'll run everything on the inside if you're dry camping. Up towards the front, you're going to have your area for your battery, and then your large 7.5 gallon propane tanks. And then this is going to be your power tongue jack. Power tongue jack, push of a button, and it also has a light if you're hooking up at night. The front of this trailer has a nice cap with LED lights in the front. And then along towards the entry side here, you're going to have your storage compartment here. Large storage area. Inside here you're going to have lights, so if you need to access anything at night, it's easy to do so. Here are your front power jacks. Again, it's just push of a button, extend and retract. So here we are on the patio deck on this toy hauler. So you have your enclosure here, so you can block off your stairs if you want to. And then you have this side that goes all the way around. This just swings all the way out. And then you have your full enclosure here. Above us is getting the power awning we were talking about, and then your screen room. So the screen you just pull down to enclose it off here. Above us is going to be your power bed. The button is along the wall here. And then you have your two couches. These couches you can fold into a bed, so they just roll all the way over. Or you can lift them up if you're going to put toys in here. And then you also have your cup holders on both of these here. So if you wanted to hang out with your friends, talk, everything's conveniently located right here. In the kitchen here is going to be your double door refrigerator. Refrigerator is going to be propane or electricity. Then you have your stainless steel appliances for your microwave, and then your lights and your range fan there. This one has the glass cover, so you can work on top of this if you wanted to. And there's your 3-burner stove, along with your oven here. Nice solid countertops on this one. Large double bowl sink there. And then you have your Furrion radio, along with your TV here. Lots of storage above the sink area. And then it has upgraded hinges on this one. To the right is going to be your power central here with all your control station. It's going to have your fresh gray and black setup here. Start and stop for your own end generator, along with your fuel pump and all your lights. Let's take a look at the bathroom. Okay, so here we are in the bathroom. The bathroom has a large enclosure here, just like so the water doesn't get out. And then you have the nice skylight above, so if you're a little taller, it gives you a little extra headroom. And then you have the nice counter space along with your medicine cabinet here. Lots of space if you wanted to change in here, and then you have your toilet here to the right. You have your large wardrobe closet here. You have 6 different closets on this one for your linens, clothes, or anything like that. Okay, so here we have the bedroom. The bedroom is nice because you have 2 access ways. You have one from the bathroom and then one from the hallway. So that's a nice feature if you have company over and you don't want them to come through your bedroom to go through the bathroom. You have 2 ways to get in here. This has a nice walk-around queen bed, and you have storage on both sides. You also have power outlets on both sides, along with USB ports. This bed does lift up for storage underneath, like that. And then you have windows on both sides of this one. You're going to have 2 emergency exits, but you also can open them for a nice cross breeze. Your TV mounts on the back wall here. Thank you for taking a look at the Nitro XLR 25KW.